Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to install an SSD drive into the PS5 internally. So first, you want to make sure you power it off the correct way. So by doing that, you want to press the PS button, go all the way down to the power down here, and then hit turn off PS5. Now turn off, it'll take a few seconds. Let's wait till that turns off. And the next part, we'll safely disconnect it from the power source. Okay, so after you've safely turned it off, you always want to unplug it from the wall. So we've got our Ethernet cord here, take that out safely, HDMI cord, and then our power cord. And then we'll take it. Okay, so before you take your PlayStation apart and put the SSD in, just make sure you have a small screwdriver ready and a flat surface to put the SSD in safely. So first, you want to take the stand off. Super simple, pops off. And then you want to take this off, right here. Plate off, super simple, just pops off. Okay, so once you take the back plate off, you get to see the SSD cover. So first, obviously, you want to unscrew it. And then pull that out, take this off, and then you can see where the SSD is going to go. You see the little mounting screw and then the spacer under it. So I'll unscrew this. Eventually. And then there's our little spacer. This little silver thing. That's our spacer. And that'll go under the SSD. And the mounting screw will screw it all together. Okay, so since for this SSD specifically, we're going to use the 80 spot for our SSD spacer. Spacer. So that's going to go in there. And then you put the SSD at like an angle. And then you push it in tiny bit. It should make a noise. Can I go in? It's supposed to snap in. Oh, there we go. Went in a little bit. The spacer's right there. And put the mount. Then we put the mounting screw in, and we gotta tighten that one up. Okay, so after we put the SSD in with the mounting screw and the spacer in the right spot, we put the SSD cover back on and screw that back in. There we go. And then we will put the case or the plate back on. So this is just a simple little slide up and it looks a little pop. Here we go. Okay, so after we put the plate back on, we'll put the stand back where it goes, right about there. And then we'll plug it back in and hopefully it works. So after we put it back together, we're gonna put it right down here. We're going to plug it back in to the power source. So the HDMI goes in there. We'll put our Ethernet back in there. And then my power source right there. I might mess of wires. Okay, so once we put it back in the power source, we'll turn the PlayStation on. Okay, so once we turn the console back on, after we plug it back into the wall and the power source, we'll go to my profile, and then we'll go to settings. Oh, that's not. And then we'll go to settings, go to storage, and there it is. The SSD storage has been successfully installed. And I appreciate you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step walkthrough on how to install an SSD into the PlayStation 5.